In this video, we will review how to summarize data with functions. We are going to look at the sum function, count function, min and max functions, and the average function. To access functions, you click on the Formulas tab and then click on Insert Function in the function library. You can see here we have a set of numbers. So click in the first cell. In this row, we will focus on the sum function. So we can click on Insert Function, and then it may be here in the frequently used list. If not, you can type it in the search box and then click Go. Click OK. And then you need to put in the range, and it's picking up B13 to B16, and that's correct, so I don't need to change that. I'll just click OK. And then just autofill that function across. Now we will put in a min function in a very similar manner. Click on Insert Function, type in min, click Go, click on min, and then click OK. Now this is not correct. It's picking up B13 to B17. We don't want B17 in it because that's our total. So we'll just simply change that to B16 and then click OK. And quickly looking at it, that is correct because 10 is the smallest number in this column. Autofill the function across. And then for max, let's return to the Home tab. Click the drop down arrow on the sum button and then click on max. Again, it tries to guess at the correct range. It's incorrect for this example, so I will highlight or select the correct range and press enter. And then lastly, for average, return to the Formulas tab, click the drop down arrow on the sum button, click on average, select the correct range if necessary, press enter, and then autofill the results. Now lastly, we need to look at the count function. And what it does, it will just count the number of cells with numbers. And we're just going to have it look at B13 through G16. Well, if you highlight that and then look in the name box, it tells you that it's 4 rows by 6 columns. So we know that's 24 entries. So when we put in our count function, it should yield a 24. Click on Insert Function, type in count, click Go, click on count, and then click OK. Now you need to select the correct range and then click OK again. And you can see that it counted 24. Now let's edit that formula and put A13 to G16, and it shouldn't change because these are not numbers. And then press enter, and it does remain 24. And this concludes the review for summarizing data with functions.